I wanted to talk about a very cool feature for checking the analytics on your law firm's Facebook page. So go into your Facebook page and click the tab in the upper box navigation menu called Insights. And that will pull up all the analytics for the last 7 days. Of course, if you want to look at something different than 7 days, you could look at daily statistics, monthly, yearly, you name it. But just taking a look at this page, it'll give you the total number of page views for the last week, the reach, the number of likes that you've had in the last 7 days, responsiveness, I'm not really sure what that means, but post engagement, that's the number of comments, likes, shares, or reactions. So the nice thing, you can also check the trends. It looks like it's up 38% from the previous week. 3-second video views, 508. Page followers in the last 7 days, we added 43 page followers. So a business page is different from a personal Facebook page in that instead of having friends as you would have on a personal page, you have followers on a business page. So all of this here, in terms of ad results, you can visit the Ad Center and check out if you are running Facebook ads, the reach of the ads, the engagement, and everything. But this is one of my favorite. The last 5 posts, and you can see more if you'd like, it will show you the engagement for each one of your posts. So you can kind of figure out what's working best. And so if we look at all the posts here, you'll see pretty much if you're posting on a daily basis. Let's take a look. I posted a very simple Facebook page that was a view from my office. Let's check that out. This is it. I just clicked a photo of the snow, my office, 103 engagements, 60 reactions, comments, and shares. That's pretty cool. That just took moments to do. And look at all the statistics, 13 comments, 43 post clicks, 42 likes. Very cool. So really good engagement with just a simple picture from outside my office of the county courthouse. And going back, so it's weird. Some of the things that get the greatest engagement you'd never expect. I did 988, that's a suicide prevention hotline number, no engagement at all. Little known facts about Benjamin Franklin, a little bit of engagement. But what you're really doing is looking at this list to try to figure out what's getting the most reaction and engagement of your posts. One of our paralegals posted about her showing a picture of her baby sitting in the chair of my office, and that got crazy engagement. So here's an engagement, 294. Let's check this one out. This is 294 reactions. This is a program, 421 engagements, a Facebook post that is designed, it offers a $500 scholarship for what we call the Kingston Proud Community Marketing Award. So it's gotten great engagement where we try to recognize a local business or a person who's done great things for the community. Really cool engagement. 12 shares, that's a big number. You celebrate whenever you get a share. Not a lot of comments, but a lot of likes, and 127 reactions, so very cool. Here's the thing about Facebook. You need to check out these analytics to see what's working and what's not working. What's your favorite Italian restaurant in Ulster County? This got crazy reaction. So we ran a little 494 engagements, 134 reactions, 360 post clicks. Very simple. What's your favorite restaurant in our local community? We tagged a number of Italian restaurants, and people, 494 engagements, people with 85 comments. That's a ton. So you can do the exact same thing for your law firm's Facebook page. You could do a post like this for $100 and watch crazy engagement happen. But here's the thing. You also can check out other law firms and check how you're doing compared to them. So in my market in upstate New York, what we've got is a bunch of law firms, and I wanted to find some of the people who are the law firms that are really doing it great, Facebook. And Finkelstein Partners, you should follow them because they are phenomenal on Facebook. They do all kinds of community events, and they have 8,600 page likes, all kinds of engagement. But what you see is these are all the other firms I'm following. They're all doing a great job, and I'm trying to to catch up to them basically. And we're getting there. In the last week, 7 days, we had over 1,000 engagements, and that by far was more than any other law firm. So we're making progress. But you can add any firm that you want. Just tag their Facebook page, click this, and you can add any firm that you want if you want to see how your firm is doing compared to others. So I look at all of them, and I want to see what can we do better. So Finkelstein & Partners, if you follow their Facebook page, you'll see all the great community marketing events that they're doing, all the volunteer work, and they're getting their staff and employees involved in their Facebook page, which is really cool. So that's it for today. Focus on the insights of your law firm's Facebook page, and you'll find out what's working and what is not working. See you tomorrow.